Hi friends! Alright, so today we are looking at how do we get around a community. So here's our problem today. A student joins your class. They ask you to tell them all about your school and ask where some things are. How can you show them all the important things about your school quickly and efficiently? So here's the key to that problem. We want it to be quick and efficient. So if you take your friend around the school, would that be quick? No, because it takes time to walk around the school and show them everything. So walking them around the school would not be quick. And efficiently is basically just a larger word that means that it's done in a good time frame. So we want to make sure it's not taking an hour, it's not taking 2. We want it to be done in a very short amount of time. Now, here's the question. What if you had a tool that would help you show them where things are? Maybe something that's drawn on a paper? Maybe something that shows where everything is in the school? What do you call that piece of paper that has a picture of the school and shows where everything is? What would we call that? We would call it a map. All right. So, we could show our friend a map of the school and show them where everything is. What is a map? Maps are models that show us where things are located. There are different types of maps and different parts of maps that will show us different information. So let's learn a little bit about maps so that you can help your neighbor. On a map, there is something called directions. There are 4 directions. They are north, south, east, and west. North, south, east, and west. I want you to remember this phrase. Never eat slimy worms. Never eat slimy worms. That N sound sounds like the word north. So never stands for north. Eat, eat, eat. That E stands for east. Slimy. That S stands for south. And that W stands for west. Never eat slimy worms. North, east, south, west. Now, this is called a compass. It shows the directions that the map goes. So maps usually include something that we call a compass rose. Compasses on maps will tell us the directions. Directions can help you find a place on a map. So again, we have never eat slimy worms. North, east, south, west. So we're going to keep it basic today. Let's worry about those directions. Your job today, you have a map. And all I want to know is, can you label all the directions on this map? So what would this one be? Would it be north, south, east, or west? Never eat slimy worms. North, east, south, or west. You're going to write your answer. I'm not going to write it, but you can type your answer in the boxes. So you see there. You have to label on your map which one is north, east, south, and west. If you forgot how to spell, you can come back to page number 4 because it has it spelled out for you. I will also accept an N, an E, an S, and a W, but I will not accept no answer. And then on page number 7, it says this is a map of a campsite. Find each place on the map and answer the questions below. So here in your campsite, you have your compass rose over here. And you have your never eat slimy worms, north, east, south, west. So you have to answer these questions. What is north of the campfire? Here's my campfire. Remember which direction points north and find it. What direction would you walk to get from the pool to the forest? Again, you're starting at the campfire. How do I get to the forest? What direction is that? Now remember, your boxes, you can write your answers in. So would I go south or north? You have to tell me what direction to go. Question number 3. What direction would you have to walk to get from the tents to the parking lot? So now it's one, we're starting at the tents and we want to go to the parking lot. And you have to tell me what direction is that? What is west of the campfire? So here's my campfire. You have to figure out what direction is west? And if I go in that direction, what will I run into? And you have to type your answer there. When you have finished page 6 and 7, you are finished with your assignment and you may turn it in.